Let's talk about KitchenCraft BarCraft Stackable Freestanding Metal Copper Wine Rack, 58 by 14.5 centimeters, 7 bottle capacity. Grow your bottle storage as you grow your wine collection. This visually stunning, practical wine rack will stack to make extra space. On its own, it will hold 7 bottles, with a low-profile design that makes it ideal for use on countertops or under cupboards. Or buy another and layer them up to hold up to 11 bottles, no installation needed, each layer simply rests securely on the one below. The geometric shape gives it a handsome, contemporary look, while the copper finish adds a sense of timeless luxury. Made of robust, powder-coated iron, this bottle stand measures 58 by 14.5 centimeters 23 by 5 inches. It comes with BarCraft's 12-month guarantee. Bought 2 of these and was hoping that they would stack vertically, but realized that they only stack horizontally. They look really smart on the shelf and much more of a classy look compared to wooden or other metal racks. Also take up a very small amount of space considering they hold 7 wine bottles. Will be buying more to stack on top of each other when I need more. Would like if it came with a small clip or something to hold them together, but the weight of the wine bottles holds them well in place. These were bought to go along the top of a run of cabinets. They are lightweight, but strong, and such a simple, but attractive, design, and they look really good stacked. You almost don't notice them, which, for me, is A+. Great looking wine racks, but definitely not the most sturdy for securely holding the bottle as they can slip out if nudged. Fine for us as we put them above our kitchen units, no chance of any knocks.